world of Dia. This is Techno Central, your weekly dose of technology from around the world. I, Dia, will be your host for the show. Now joining us live is our Dia mentor.
Imagilike, Mapology, World AR. See the whole world on just your tablet device. Imagilike, Mapology, World Augmented Reality is perfect for helping us learn about people and animals from all over the world. 400 facts and a map for you to learn from. You will love playing with this and finding out new information about the world every day.
The Thinkfun Domino made STEM toy is something that's perfect to play with friends and family. This toy lets you have fun while also helping you develop your mental skills and learn new facts. You can look forward to a number of beginner to expert level challenges just waiting for you to solve them.
On that note, signing off is Dia from Dia, and we are on a mission to equip students with futuristic technologies. If this is up your alley, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified by Techno Central every week. And if you found this video informative, do like, share and comment.